It's time for another art activity with Miss Bodine. Hello, Kipsters! It's Miss Bodine with another art activity for you. This art activity is really close to my heart because it's for a very special person and a very special day. This upcoming Sunday, May 10th, is Mother's Day. If your mom is in the room right now, tell her that she has to leave so you can do this project and it can be a surprise for her later. We're going to be making gifts for Mother's Day. Mother's Day is an important day where we celebrate the women who raised us. And usually a lot of different women raise us. I know for me, my grandma helped raise me, my mom helped raise me, and you know what? Sometimes I would even call my babysitter mom because she also helped raise me. She's the one who taught me how to write my name and count for the first time, so I'll probably make her something as well. You can make multiple of these and give them to all the important women in your life who raised you. So today we're going to have a lot of supplies that we need. Some you might have to go outside and find. I know I didn't have pipe cleaners, and this is a project where I would want to use pipe cleaners. So I went outside and found some sticks. I almost hit myself with that stick. Some sticks that are kind of the same size as pipe cleaners, and I tried to clean them off the best I could, but I grabbed about 6 or 7 sticks. You're gonna need a pencil, a marker, or a pen. You're going to need either glue or tape, or both. You're gonna need a scissors, and you're gonna need something to color or decorate with. And I have markers for that, but you can use crayons, color pencils, even regular pencils you can decorate really cool with. And then you're also going to need paper. White paper is just fine, like the paper we send you in your packet, but also you might want some construction paper that's colored for this project as well, if you have that. If you don't, you could just color white paper and that will be just like construction paper. So let me show you what our project is going to look like. The first thing we're going to learn how to do is use handprint cutouts to make these beautiful flowers for Mother's Day. Instead of using pipe cleaners, I'll be using sticks. If you have pipe cleaners, good for you. If you don't, you can be creative like me and find something that will work instead. Also, if you have a ribbon, you can use that, or find a way to decorate another type of fabric, like a string or piece of yarn. And to go along with our awesome flowers, we're going to make a card, also with the handprint, and we're going to incorporate the American Sign Language sign for love and put our 2 fingers down in the center of our hand so that it says, "I love you," for our mothers. Here are the steps to make the flowers. Step number 1. Trace around your hand 3 or 4 times. Step number 2, carefully cut out all of the hands. Step number 3, roll the hand at the palm side so that it will fit neatly around the stick or pipe cleaner. Step number 4, tape or glue the hand that is rolled onto the stick or pipe cleaner, as seen here. And step number 5, roll down each finger using a pencil or a stick. And voila! And now to make the card, you take an extra hand cutout and glue the palm down on the front of your card. Then glue the pinky down, fold over the ring finger and the middle finger, and glue them to the front of your hand to make the American Sign Language sign for "I love you." And then glue down the pointer finger and the thumb. All right, so I have my bouquet of flowers. I put them in this glass container that I had, but you can just tie a bow around them or just hand them to your mom or the woman that you're giving your gift to for Mother's Day. And then after you make your card, you can decorate the outside and you can also decorate the inside. So I can't wait to see what you make. Remember to send it to Miss Bodine in a picture so I can see how awesome your project turned out. And then if you want to give that to your mom now, you can. And if you want to wait for Sunday when it's Mother's Day, you can also do that as well. Bye!